Okay, today we're doing a mini rock crawler course. 3D printed, indoor, outdoor, setup anywhere, easy setup. You can find the files on Maker World. They're all free. There's variety. I mean, I don't even have them all. On the average, they're just print them out of PLA. On average, they take about 4.5 to 5 hours to print. Some take longer, some take less. Printing on bamboo A1 printers. There's one printing now. That will be another one of these mud turns. Then you just need you know, like a cheap folding table, some indoor outdoor carpet. I bought a 5x7 roll of this today at Ollie's. 2 cheap folding tables, you know, totes to put everything in when you're not using it. You know, you can modify them, add your own lettering, paint them. Like I said, I used samples, Benjamin Moore sample paint, pick colors, and a pint of sample paint goes a long way. And scale wise, there's an SCX 24 and an SCX 30. These I printed in a marble type look. I don't know what I'm going to do with those as far as paint yet. But when you set them up on a table like this, you know, they're realistically, you can set it up anywhere. Handicap accessible. Not dirty, so you can set them up in the house, wherever you want. So I'll put together a course here, and I don't know how much of one. I'll just do one table today. You know, there's a bridge in pieces. We'll get to that. But yep, I'll lay a course out here and we'll drive on it some. Okay, there's what I didn't use this time. Like I said, I was planning on doing 2 tables, but here's just a rough idea, you know, of some layouts you can do. That's an SCX 30 and different tiles, different pieces. Like I used copper there. You don't have to. You can use, they come with a file for printing 3D logs. I just chose to go with the copper. The big mountain, there's an SCX 24 for size comparison. And this is all waterproof. This is all just PLA printed. You can change it up however you want, do whatever you want, change them. You know, you can spin each obstacle 4 different directions. So yeah, you can have a year-long 3D printed course, and if you get bored with it, it's like Legos. Just flip them around and make it something different. So if you want some ideas, Maker World for the files, any 3D printer, some house paint, and you know, like I said, change it up any way you want. Well, that's it for this time. Maybe we'll do another one when we have more of a layout and less of that white stuff back there. Have a good one. Alright, we'll start with an all-stock SCX 30 and just play around a little bit. Then we have a SCX 24. It's all stock except for wheels and tires, and I'll just show you a little bit. Now, neither one of these are going to be able to make everything, but we'll see how far we can get. Okay, we made it through that far. And you can turn these tiles any way you want. If I turned this one 90 degrees, it would be more suitable for the 24, for the SCX 30s. I don't have a 32 yet from Red Cat, but that one would be good too. And I do have an Enduro 24. I haven't tried on this yet. As I said, some of these are not as friendly for the SCX 30s, but you don't have to print those. You don't have to use those. Or just be a better driver or modify your rig so it can. Well, let's try. Let's try 24 now. There again, stock rig, but when you go with a bigger truck, the course gets smaller. And this one's going to be top heavy because it's got all loaded with But if you do get this down, you can always add gates to it. Or add traction, sand, whatever. This has nothing added. This is just latex paint. Well, there you go. There's an idea of some indoor, outdoor, winter fun. We'll play more with this and get out some better rigs, and don't want to make it too easy. So, hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.